Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got for my Christmas. I really like watching these videos on YouTube. I find them really interesting. I got some really cute bits for my Christmas and I'm so excited to use everything. So yeah, if you want to see everything that I get, then let's just go ahead and we'll get started. Okay, so the first thing I got I'm so excited about, and it is this here from YSL. So this is YSL's Mon Paris perfume gift set. I absolutely love this perfume. It is so gorgeous. I have one already, but I'm basically almost out of it, so I'm so excited to have another one. And this one is like comes in this kind of gift box here, and I'll just open it up and I'll show you. In here we get the full size Mon Paris perfume. We also get like a slightly smaller one here and a little mini Rouge Volupte Shine lipstick. So that's the bottle right there, and I just love this bottle. Like, I love the shape of it, I love the smell of the perfume inside. The scent is very sophisticated, it's very feminine. It lasts such a long time on the body, on the skin. It's just my favourite perfume ever. I just love it. It's just gorgeous. I'm so happy to have this again. Also have like a little mini one here which I can keep in my handbag, which is great, and that's a little mini one right there. Super cute, like as you can see the size comparison there. And then this little Rouge Volupte Shine, I can't remember what shade this is in. I'll take it out and I will show you. It says here it's in the shade number 49, so it's a very bright pink shade, if you can see that there. Really hot Barbie pink shade. That'll be nice to try out in the summertime, so yeah, I'm looking forward to trying that. I do love the Rouge Volupte Shines. I have the number 9 one, which is gorgeous. So yeah, very excited to try this little one. Okay, so next thing I got is this brush set here from BH Cosmetics. This is their Marble Luxe 10-piece brush set, and this set is just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to take it out and I'll show you them. Okay, so this is what the set looks like right here, and how gorgeous are these? These are just absolutely stunning, and you guys know me, I'm an absolute brush junkie, so I'm so excited about these. So there's a bunch of face brushes in the set, and then there's a couple of eye ones as well. I absolutely love the look of this one here. This will be great for like powdering all over the face. You could probably use this for bronzing if you wanted, if you want to just apply bronzer everywhere. This one here will be great for probably bronzer or blush, actually, like for my kind of face shape. You know, it's a little bit smaller. I love this type of brush for bronzer. This one here looks amazing. This is like a foundation brush here. Cannot wait to try this. I love like kind of quite dense buffing brushes, you know, for applying my foundation. Like, I cannot wait to try this. Like, just stunning looking. There's also this little brush in the set here which might be really good for contouring, actually, because it's a little bit smaller, so that might be quite good for that. There's this little brush here that's kind of like a kind of bullet, like an under eye bullet kind of thing, where you can sort of like maybe set your under eye concealer. And then we also get this little brush here, which I'm not too sure what you can use this for, but I think maybe applying foundation as well, I'm not too sure. So we get that, and then there's 4 little eye brushes right here as well. So there's a couple of blending brushes here. Like, these are all kind of different types of blending brushes which look great. I love BH Cosmetics eye brushes. And then this one here will be great for like packing on like shimmers onto the lids, or even like glitters onto lid as well. I just love the design of these. Like, how stunning are these? This rose gold and marble hardware stuff is just gorgeous. Like, I love these. Cannot wait to use these. I also got a few pairs of really cute novelty earrings. So these are some of them here. So we have these little ones here which are kind of like little unicorns with like Santa hats on them, which I think are so adorable. So like, I've got them, and I also got these ones here which are just so cute, and they're little penguins. So these ones as well, like, how gorgeous are these? I wore these actually on Christmas Day, really cute. And I also got these ones here which are like little, if I can get them, where are they? There they are, like little reindeers. So that's them right there, like little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Super cute. So I thought I'd put them on for this video. Yes, I got a couple of little novelty earrings as well. I also got some really cute clothes, and this is one of the pieces that I got right here. So this is kind of like a, it's kind of like a oversized kind of I don't know if you call them granddad cardigans or boyfriend cardigans. It's called something like that, because if you notice it has this kind of V shape here with 3 kind of big buttons just halfway down the cardigan, and it's in the softest material. Like, this is absolutely gorgeous. It's just super soft and snuggly. I love the colour of it as well. It's like in this beigey oatmeal colour. It looks amazing with a black polo neck. I actually picked up one of them just the other week there from H&M, so it goes perfectly with this. Quite similar to the one that I have on here, but except it's like a kind of jumper polo neck thing. So like this one would go really good as well with it. But yeah, I just love this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This is actually from H&M, and yeah, really loving this. So I've got a couple of other really cute tops to share with you in a minute, but first I want to show you some of the other makeup bits that I got. I got these 2 eyeshadow palettes right here, and these are new from Beauty Bay. So I'm super excited about these because these are actually quite similar to the other eyeshadow palettes that I have from Beauty Bay. You know how the Origin palette and the Going Out palette, well, these ones are pretty similar, so I'm really excited to try these and see how the formula goes and everything, because the shades in here are gorgeous. So the first one I have here is Fiery, which is this one right here. How pretty is this? Like, this is a 16 colour eyeshadow palette, and wait till you see the shades in here. Like, if you love warm shades, then you're going to really love this palette. Like, look at that. Like, how amazing does that look? Like, oh, it's so gorgeous. I really don't know how they didn't bring this out for the autumn time, because the shades in here are just right autumnal shades. There's like a mixture of mattes and shimmers in this palette, if you can see that there. And like I said, I absolutely love the formula of Beauty Bay's eyeshadow palettes. Like, they are just so good. So this is actually called the EYN palette, which stands for Everything You Need. It's like Beauty Bay's own brand, just like the Origin palette and the Going Out one, which I have. Like, look at the shades in here. They're just absolutely gorgeous. I cannot wait to try these on my eyes. They're all just really autumnal shades. I think it would be a great palette for the autumn time, even though autumn's just passed. But like, yeah, it would be great for this winter time still as well. Like, I think it's a gorgeous palette. Cannot wait to do some tutorials with this, so let me know if you would like to see some tutorials with this, because you guys know how much I love their other palettes, so very excited about this one. Okay, so the other one I got is the EYN Berry palette, and this one has like a nice pink metallic-y look on it, quite similar to the packaging for the Origin one actually. And this is what the shades look like inside here. So this one's more of a cool tone palette, because as you can see from the Fiery one, that's like a really kind of warm palette, where this one has a bunch of cool shades. Like, when I first seen the name Berry on this, like, I expected to open up and be like full on kind of purple shades and cranberry shades, like really kind of warm, you know, berry colours. But like, as you can see, it's not really, it's more kind of cool tone. But I'm actually really liking it, because I don't have a palette that has these types of shades, well, not that I can think of. Like, yeah, it's a very different and unusual palette to any other ones that I have. Yeah, it looks like a really gorgeous palette, and this one here is actually called Milky, which looks quite similar to the matte highlighting shade from the Origin palette, which I absolutely love. So I'm hoping this will be something quite like that. But yeah, this looks like an absolutely gorgeous palette as well, and I can't wait to do some looks with this. Let me know if you would like to see some tutorials with this palette. And also, both of these palettes are cruelty free and vegan as well. Okay, so I've got 2 other things that I'm really happy for, because I'm actually out of both of these. So the first thing is the NARS Laguna bronzer. Like, this is my favourite bronzer. Like, I think it's my favourite bronzer ever, actually. Yeah, because I had this year, this bronzer, and I loved it so much that I've actually used it all up. So this is what the bronzer looks like here. Love the packaging for this. The only thing is, it does get a little bit dirty, you know, through time, but like, whatever, I just love it. And that's what the bronzer shade looks like inside. It's quite a deep bronzer, as you can see, and it's actually the bronzer that I have on my cheeks today. Like, I scraped the edges of the other one I had to do my makeup today, so I'm really excited to have another one of these. I just love this. It's in the shade, sorry, I forgot to mention, it's the shade Laguna. Like, it's such a classic bronzer. Like, everybody loves this. Well, I've heard loads of people talking about this for years, this bronzer, and I managed to pick it up this year and I just love it. So I'm so excited to have another one because the one I did have is completely out. So the other thing that I'm completely out of, and I've just got a new one for my Christmas there, is the Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. So you guys see me using this a lot before my makeup tutorials. Well, I actually apply it before I apply my makeup. Sometimes I cut it out of my videos, but this is what I'm always wearing as my kind of moisturiser before I apply any of my makeup. It makes your face really glowy, really fresh and very hydrated. Like, I just love it so much. It comes with like a little dropper thing at the top here. You just squeeze it and the product goes into like a little tube and you just squeeze it onto the face. But yeah, I just love this so much. It's the best serum I've ever tried. Another top that I got is this here. Well, it's actually a jumper, and how gorgeous is this? It's like a little teddy bear. So as you can see, this has like this zipper idea here, which is actually quite trendy now, you know, with the big hook here. I've seen a lot of zippers you know, online lately with this type of hook and that on it. So yeah, really liking this style and love this one. I love the colour of this. I love that it looks like a little teddy bear, you know. I love that it has these elasticated kind of cuffs here. So yeah, I just love the look of this. I cannot wait to wear this. Like, how pretty is this going to look? It's going to look absolutely amazing. I'm going to look like a little teddy bear, but I'm just so excited to wear this. I think it's gorgeous. It's so soft, so snuggly. And actually, where is this from? It's from F&F, so that is where Tesco. This is Tesco. This is actually what my mum got me for my Christmas. Okay, so the next top I got is actually from my mum as well, and it is this one here. Like, how gorgeous is this? Oh, the purple shade of this is gorgeous. Oh my god, I don't know if it's coming up well like on camera. Like, I just looked in my my tablet I've got set up here where I can see the camera. Like, you can see what the camera's picking up, and oh my god, doesn't look as if it's coming up purple. Oh my god, I hope it does, because this is like a super vibrant purple shade and it is just absolutely gorgeous, guys. Like, I really hope this is coming up well on camera. But yeah, this is like a turtleneck, no, not a turtleneck, a polo neck, a crow neck, I don't know, something like that, something like a polo neck anyway. And I just love these types of tops. Kind of ribbed knit material, has long sleeves, gorgeous shade as well, this deep kind of vibrant purple shade. And I don't know if it's coming up well on camera because right now in my tablet there it looks blue. It is not blue at all, it is like a vibrant, I keep saying vibrant, but it's actually like a deep vibrant shade. I don't know if that makes any sense, but it is a gorgeous purple colour. Really pretty, really thick, really soft, very snuggly as well. And where is this from? I think this might be Tesco as well. Knitwear by F&F. Yeah, so Tesco as well. Like, oh, I just love this. So I also got some nail polishes as well. Well, a nail polish, and it's this one here. It's a red glossy gel polish, and this here is like the top coat for it here. So that's actually what I've got on my nails today, and I think it's a really pretty red shade. And I don't really wear red that often on my nails or even on my lips, but I'm really digging this one. I think it's gorgeous. Like, yeah, super pretty. So yeah, I got these as well. I also got some chocolates as well, like, of course. And I got these ones here, which are kind of like the Guerlain chocolates, you know. They are like my favourite chocolates ever. I love the Guerlains, but sometimes they're super overpriced, you know, like they're like a tenner for a box, which is ridiculous. But these ones here are actually they're basically the exact same. They taste quite similar, you know. Like, I have done a taste test before, by the way, guys. I done it last year, and I can tell you they are slightly different in taste. So these ones are actually from, where are these from? I think these are Lidl JD Gross. I think these are Lidl. So I did do a taste test last year because I also got these and the Guerlains as well, and I can tell you they do taste a little bit different, still quite similar, but I managed to do a blind taste test and I picked out like which one was the Guerlain and which one was the Lidl one. But anyway, regardless, these are absolutely gorgeous. I love these so much. These are luxury Belgian chocolate with a creamy hazelnut praline centre. Like, if you haven't tried these already, guys, of course if you're not allergic to nuts, then give these a go, because these are just so gorgeous. I love these so much. And then I also got this little box of chocolates here as well, and these are from Nestle. These are the Dairy Box Temptations. Nestle's not really my favourite chocolate really, guys, but whatever. I'm going to be giving these a go to see what they're like. These are a delicious selection of milk chocolates, and we have an orange one, and we have a nutty truffle and a dreamy fudge one. So yeah, excited to try these. I also got a bunch of chocolates in my stocking, like these ones right here. Like I have loads all down at my feet right now. That's another box of stuff. I got these in my stocking, and like I love chocolate, but it's like the last thing I really need to be eating right now. But whatever, I got a bunch of chocolates. I also got a bunch of other little random bits as well, which you guys might not be that interested in seeing. But I did get a SD card for my camera, which I'm actually using right now in my camera to film, because my other SD cards I have are completely full. I really need to take all the files off them to start fresh for next year. That's the majority of stuff that I did get though, and I'm absolutely loving everything. Like, I'm just so happy with everything that I've got here. That is it, guys, and I really hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. I would love to know what you got for your Christmas down below in the comment section. I can't believe that's 2018 already over, but I'm really excited for 2019 and seeing what it brings. And it's now time to take down my tree, I think. Like, I don't really like to take my tree into the new year, so I think after I film this video I'm going to take this guy down. So this will be my last video with my lovely little tree in the background there. Do let me know if there's anything you would like to see, you know, from me in 2019, like what type of videos you would like to see more of, and things like that. Then do let me know down in the comment section. I also want to say a massive thank you to you guys for being with me and subscribing to me and watching all my videos this past year. I really appreciate it, and I hope you're excited to see new videos from me in 2019. That is it for this video. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. If you did really like the video, then remember to give it the big thumbs up, and also hit the subscribe button just down below if you're brand new to my channel, and I'll speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.